Good morning, my dear lovely children. Today I am here with you once again with a wonderful story. This is a story about happiness, which is the greatest requirement of our life. Once there was a rich man. He was very fat. He could not walk properly. He lived in a huge palace made of gold and precious stones. He had lot of money, but he was a miser. He never liked to share anything with anyone. He always had a fear that someone would take away his wealth. Due to this reason, he never slept peacefully at night. He spent months of sleepless nights. As a result, he became sick and restless. Doctors gave him different medicines, but no one could cure his sleeping disorder. At last, he announced that the person who could cure his sleeping disorder would be rewarded by him. People from faraway places came to him with their advice, but nothing worked out. One day, a young boy came to him. He was wearing dirty clothes. The rich man scolded him and insulted him. The boy said that he could tell him the secret of getting a sound sleep. The boy told him to be calm and stop worrying if he wanted to get a sound and peaceful sleep. The rich man got irritated and he beaten up the boy. He threw him out of his house. Later on, the rich man started thinking what the boy said, and he thought of searching the boy. Next morning, the rich man went in search of boy. He found that the boy was sleeping under a tree. He tried hard to wake him up, but he failed to do so. Now the rich man also started feeling sleepy. He finally slept on the ground with the boy. When he woke up the next day, he realized that one thing he needed was the peace of mind and no worries. The boy was happy because he had no fear and no worries. He had peace of mind. So, dear children, be happy with whatever you have. Happiness lies within our hearts. You don't need to find it outside in the external things you have.